Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through creating a professional notebook design in Microsoft Word. This step-by-step tutorial will help you make a custom notebook template with a stylish border and placeholders for page numbers and dates. Let's get started. Go to the Layout tab, then click on Margins. Select Custom Margins from the drop-down. Now, set the top, bottom, left, and right margins to 0. Click OK to apply. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Insert a table by selecting the first row and dragging to fit the entire page width. Once the table is inserted, select the entire first row. Now, slightly drop down the top margin for proper spacing. Place the cursor on the last row of the table. Press the Tab key repeatedly to extend the table across the entire page. Go to Table Tools, then click on Design. Select the Borders option and choose a border design you like. Change the color of the first row's border to red for a striking look. Now, go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose the Line tool and draw a straight line along the left side of the page to create a margin. Hold the Shift key while drawing to ensure the line is perfectly straight. Next, use Drawing Tools, go to Shape Outline, and change the color of the line to red. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the line and place it next to the first one for a clean margin design. Go back to the Insert tab and select Shapes. This time, choose the rounded rectangular shape. Draw it at the top right corner of the page. Right-click on the shape, go to Fill, and select No Fill. Then, go to Outline and change the color to red. Right-click again and select Edit Alt Text. Type in as placeholders. And there you have it, a beautifully designed notebook template in Microsoft Word with a custom border, margin, and placeholders. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more creative design tips and tricks.